Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find location of the startup folder in Windows 8 and 10. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type shell startup. This folder is current user startup folder. You can simply copy the executable shortcut to this folder. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type shell common space startup. This startup folder is used for all users. You can simply copy the executable shortcut to this folder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.